What is going on, guys? Sergeant's Tech Tips. Welcome to another video on my channel. So this is a fresh install of Windows. I'm going to be showing you a couple things you should do after reinstalling Windows. Obviously, this is not the full and fresh install because the accents and stuff of like the taskbar and say like, I don't know, the settings and the file explorer would be all white. However, I am using a capture card to record this, so it should be a little bit better of quality. The OBS thing won't be in the way. I'm using my gaming laptop, which actually jump-started my channel, which is nice. So usually the first thing I do, since this laptop actually doesn't have a battery, having this down here is kind of that says 255% available for battery already then. But this can get really annoying. So there's actually a way you can get rid of some of the icons down here. If you actually right click on your taskbar, you're going to go to taskbar settings. And then what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down to turn system icons on or off. And you can go ahead and just turn off the ones you want. In this case, I'm just going to turn off the power one so it's out of the way. Another thing you can do is actually remove OneDrive, because if you are a user like me and you don't really use OneDrive at all, my gaming desktop, OneDrive is completely removed. There's a way you can actually uninstall it. You're going to hold down the Windows key and click the letter R on your keyboard. You're going to type in app wiz.cpl. It's going to open up basically the programs and features in your control panel. So you can right click on OneDrive, click uninstall, and I'm pretty sure the UAC pops up. Alright, so yeah, the UAC pops up. Go ahead and just click yes on that. Another thing that you can do is you can actually remove the notification center. So I usually just right click you can do it a bunch of different ways to get rid of it. You're just going to go to the taskbar settings like we did for the battery icon. Click turn system icons on or off, and you're just going to find the action center or notification center, whatever you want to call it. And then it's gone. That's just something I personally like doing. Another thing I like doing is actually making the start menu the size of my monitor. So I just usually go like that. And it's a very simple task. I actually uninstall some of this stuff, so I'm going to go ahead and uninstall the stuff I'm not going to be using. So obviously this wasn't in here earlier, but this is a Cortana button, and I like to actually disable her completely. So one thing you can do is actually right click on the taskbar, click show Cortana icon, it'll go away. You can also disable her by going to the settings and going to Cortana, and you just disable basically everything. She's basically disabled because I actually did that in the installation when I was installing Windows. But yeah, you can also turn off the permissions, but I'm not signed in, so you don't really have to worry about that. But yeah, that's just some things I like to do in Windows 10 after installation. It's just my personal preference, but if you guys enjoyed the video like this, let me know, and I'll start doing videos like this. I might have a Windows 10 installation video coming out sometime along, but thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed, drop a like. If you guys did not enjoy, drop a dislike. Thank you guys for all the support on my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Another thing I like to do is actually disable Cortana completely, so she just can't show up at all. You're going to go to the settings. I believe you go to system, where was it? I think it was privacy. Wow.